To efficiently manage expenses in Bill4Time, follow these step-by-step tips. First, understand the importance of categorizing expenses, as this helps in generating accurate reports and invoices. In Bill4Time, you can create custom expense categories that fit your business needs, making it easier to track and record expenses. When entering expenses, ensure you have all the necessary information, including the date, amount, and description of the expense. It is also crucial to attach receipts to each expense entry, as this provides proof of the expense and helps in case of audits. Bill4Time allows you to add expenses in various ways, including manual entry, importing from a bank or credit card statement, or using the mobile app to capture receipts on the go. Choose the method that best suits your workflow to ensure all expenses are accounted for. To make expense entry more efficient, set up recurring expenses for regular costs, such as subscriptions or rent. This saves time and reduces the likelihood of forgetting to log a recurring expense. Assigning expenses to the correct project or client is vital for accurate invoicing and project tracking. Bill4Time enables you to associate expenses with specific projects or clients, ensuring that expenses are billed correctly and that project budgets are up to date. Best practices for expense entry include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, using the approval process to ensure expenses are legitimate and correctly categorized, and setting reminders for upcoming expenses to avoid late payments. By following these tips and maintaining a consistent and organized approach to expense entry in Bill4Time, you can streamline your expense management process, reduce errors, and improve your overall financial tracking and reporting capabilities.